Welcome back to my channel. In my last video I showed you that how to find out any crystal structure of a protein from the PDB database, and in this tutorial video I'll show you that how to open the PDB format of a protein by using Pymol. So Pymol basically is a free software. You can download it in simple process. It's not that very complicated. So after that you can open using any crystal structure or PDB format by using the Pymol. So in this case I want to open this 6LU7 COVID-19 protein. Okay, so double click this one, and then this interface is how it looks like. This is the Pymol viewer. So actually this is a 3D structure. So this is very useful tool actually, and you can see here this is the S written here. This is for the sequence. So if you click it, so it shows the linear sequence, the linear amino acid sequence of this protein. So these parts, this red part, these are not the amino acid part. So this is something else. It's attached with this structure. So whenever you will conduct any protein docking, so in that case you have to delete this kind of part. So you have to keep only amino acid residues part. So here this you see till 305 around the length of this protein, and this all of the amino acid sequence here. So now you can also modify it little bit if you want. So for that purpose, you have to go from here, S. So as lines, this is the lines, this is the sticks. So it's the all of the proteins, the structure is modified in the sticks format. And also you can change to, sorry, not here, from here, from ribbon. So this is a ribbon, this is as, and this cartoon. This is a cartoon format. Normally this is very suitable actually for publication purposes. Okay, and also you can label from here if you would like to label any specific sequence. If you want to label it, so we can do it accordingly. So for example, I would like to select this part. Okay, this amino acid part I would like to select, and I want to label it. So label residues. So you see here this amino acid that we selected, that is mentioned here, the which amino acid. So we selected YT, and so this is our methionine, tyrosine, phenylalanine, and asparagine. So these proteins. So also is showing ASP 155. So 155 position here. Okay, and also in the structure also it can be also labeled in the structure. So this is the selected. When you select it, so another part you can also see here. So this is the selected part. So you can label from here also. So only selected part I would like to label as a stick. Okay, and also the color, I would like to change this selected part color. So label color from here. This is the color. So color I would like to change it to red. So you see right now, so this is the selected part has been changed to the color red. Okay, so actually this is very clear and very sophisticated views that can be useful any other docking purposes. And also you can also modify a little bit in the other there are some other options you can do accordingly if you go through that. Okay, thank you guys. I hope this video will be helpful.